Hello my dear friends, and welcome back to the channel. A cozy place for craft lovers, miniature enthusiasts, and everyone who enjoys relaxing creative moments through handmade art. Today we're finishing our winter miniature furniture set. The collection that already includes a wardrobe, a fireplace, a cozy sofa, and a comfortable armchair. And now, the final piece that brings everything together, a beautiful miniature coffee table. This small detail may seem simple at first, but it's exactly what completes the scene and makes the miniature living room feel real, warm, and inviting. For this project, you'll need A4 paper with a thickness of around 160 GSM, where you'll print your templates. As always, you don't have to use my exact designs. I'm showing you the assembly method, and you're free to create your own shapes, sizes, and styles of furniture. You'll also need scissors, a tool for scoring fold lines such as an awl or a blunt needle, and glue. I personally prefer silicone-based glue for better control, but any glue you're comfortable with will work just fine. One of the most beautiful parts of this coffee table is the tabletop itself, decorated with a winter-themed print. It adds warmth, atmosphere, and a cozy seasonal feeling to the miniature scene, almost like a tiny piece of winter art right in the center of the room. You can experiment with different designs here: snowy landscapes, wood textures, marble patterns, holiday motifs, or even your own hand-painted surfaces. The tabletop is a wonderful place to express creativity and make each miniature piece unique. The assembly process is simple and calming. Score the fold lines carefully, gently bend the paper, apply glue, and connect each part step by step. Try to keep your corners neat and close to 90 degrees. This helps the table stand straight and look polished. Taking your time here really pays off in the final look. What I love about miniature furniture is how these small objects completely transform a scene. Once the coffee table is placed between the sofa and the armchair, the whole space suddenly feels alive, like a tiny world ready for stories to happen. These paper miniatures can be used in so many creative ways. You can build cozy interior installations, winter living rooms, reading corners, holiday scenes, or fantasy spaces from your imagination. They're perfect for dioramas that tell little stories, a warm evening indoors, friends gathering for tea, or peaceful moments by the fireplace. Many creators use miniature furniture for stop-motion animation, photography projects, and artistic compositions. They're wonderful additions to dollhouses, display shelves, seasonal decorations, and handmade gift scenes. And of course, crafting miniatures is a beautiful form of art therapy, helping you relax, focus, and enjoy the slow creative process. It's a peaceful break from everyday stress, and a chance to build something special with your hands. You can also use these pieces in creative workshops, craft lessons, storytelling projects, or simply as decorative art that brings joy and warmth to your space. Each small table, chair, and sofa becomes part of a bigger handmade world, full of imagination, comfort, and creativity. As you build this coffee table, take your time and enjoy every step. The beauty of handmade miniatures is in the care you put into each detail. Thank you so much for spending this creative time with me today, and for finishing this cozy winter furniture set together. I hope this collection brings you inspiration, relaxation, and many beautiful miniature scenes. If you enjoyed crafting along with me, feel free to share your results in the comments and let me know what kind of furniture or miniature projects you'd love to create next. Until next time, happy crafting, stay creative, and enjoy building your tiny worlds.